Good morning, everybody, and welcome to a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom with a toddler and a newborn. It's almost 8 o'clock now. I've given Corey his first feed of the morning. I nursed him and gotten him dressed. Yeah. And Max is up now. He's just shined himself in the crib, so it's time to go get him. Good morning, everybody. Now I can say a proper good morning. It's about... Hi, Max! It's about 8:30 in the morning now, and this one is in his sling. He's ready for his morning nap. Yeah, Max is just playing in the playroom, and I'm getting breakfast ready. Say good morning, Corey. Max, what are you up to?
I'm doing puzzles.
Oh, you're doing puzzles. What puzzle are you doing?
That puzzle.
Oh, that puzzle.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right, I'm gonna go get some breakfast ready. Good morning, doggies. Here's my coffee I made and haven't drunk. Max's breakfast. All right, Max, what do we do on Fridays?
Go to Target.
We go to Target. It's a very special day. So Fridays is our special home day, right? Mommy and Max and Corey's special day.
Yeah.
And we hang out in the morning and just play. And then we go to Target and Max gets to get a car for being a good boy and doing good naps all week long. And then, so this is the day we don't have any school, we don't have any classes or anything like that. We just chill at home all day. And in the afternoon, as a special treat, we usually get to watch the movie Cars, Descents of Beam. So yeah, this Friday is Cars Day. We go to Target and we get a car, and then in the afternoon we get to watch the movies Cars, which is a very, very special treat, and it's our very special Friday day. Right, Max? Do you love Fridays?
Yeah.
So yeah, you saw me put Corey in his dog towel while we were playing, and seeing as everything was good and we were done with our puzzle, I came up here to wash bottle parts, which is a big part of the day when you have a newborn and are pumping a lot. I actually don't mind the pumping. I made a whole video about my new pump. I love it, and I don't mind the washing too much, but it does take up some of the day. So now we are all clean, ready to go for the day. That one is sleeping. The little one is playing. Mama's gonna get dressed, but actually let me show you guys. Corey is sleeping in a Snoo, and I want to show you guys how he slept last night. So he slept from 9:30 till 7 a.m. and he was up twice, once at 11:30 and once at 3, which is not too bad. And the red is where the Sue snoothed him. No, the Snoo soothed him. So yeah, it's funny because like I can monitor my sleep also because I got the same sleep that he got. But yeah, that's not too bad. So I am all dressed and ready. The bottle parts are washed, and Corey is still sleeping in his dock-a-tot, which gives us a chance to just have some one-on-one mommy and Max time, which is really nice.
It has a track.
It has a track in the book. What? Okay, so this is where life with two gets a little bit tricky. Max is ready to go to Target, which is great. And this little one is still sleeping. But I want to feed him before we go to Target because he ate 2 hours ago, so he's going to eat like any minute. This is life with two, so I'm going to try and feed Corey really quick, and I will bring a bottle with as well, and I can always feed him with the bottle at Target. When I only had one, I would just nurse at Target. Yeah, we're going to go in a minute, but it's much harder to have Max just sit there and hang out while I nurse, versus a bottle I can just feed him in the stroller. You ready to eat, Corey Bear? You gonna nurse? What do you think? Oh, sleepy newborn stretches.
Five bunnies.
What you reading, bud? 5? There's more than 5 bunnies there. 2. Why don't you count them and see?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, it is now 10:30 and we are ready to go to Target. You ready, Max? No, now he's not ready. Corey is all ready to go. You in your car seat, Corey? Yeah. It's like, I'm sleepy, Mama, don't bother me. 3 minutes later and we are in the car. Where are we going?
To Target.
To Target. Made it to the dollar spot. Hi, Corey. Max, where are we?
But at Target.
We're at Target in our... Are we on the riding the garbage truck?
On the trash. 8, 9, 10.
You counting the numbers?
12, 13.
Wow. I love these signs.
13 numbers.
13 numbers. These are so cute. Okay, so we made it to Target, and right at the dollar spot when we walked in, we found this really cute number toy. So this is great because Max loves numbers, and we're going to do some counting while we go around Target, which will be great. He is riding the piggyback board right now, by the way, which is our Target setup.
5.
And Corey
7.
is hiding in there. So we found challah for Shabbat tonight, but I actually don't love that kind. Yeah, but look at all this kosher food, including my favorite, beef jerky.
It's on top.
Okay, can you tell them to me?
1, 2.
Good job. All right, Max, which car did you choose? You know what its name is?
Yeah.
What's his name? Sheldon Shifter. How come you gotta get this car?
It is so much nap time.
You did so many good nap times. That's right. Good job, Bubba. Love
What's
you.
his name?
Sheldon Shifter.
Sheldon Shifter.
So we are home from Target. Yeah, and this little one is still sleeping, but I'm gonna get him up now and give him that bottle. Say hi. Where's the milk, Mama? Where's the milk? Look at those newborn stretches. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Look at those newborn feet. Look at those newborn little feet. Ready for some milk? We are having our bottle and reading a book at the same time, and all the cars have lined up to listen to the book. So the mail just arrived, and because Corey is still pretty new around here, we are still getting some presents, which is really nice. So this big box from Bloomingdale's arrived, and look how cute the little gift package is. That's so cute. And some really cute baby outfits came, so I'll show you guys them. Corey Dove! Look how cute this is. How cute is that little onesie? And then this is my favorite. A polo shirt. And the matching pants. I just think that is so cute. And then a bear onesie, which is perfect for Corey Dove because Dove means bear in Hebrew. And then this is a little giraffe onesie, which is so cute. Speaking of presents, I am in the midst of writing all the thank you cards. So I ordered from Shutterfly. I'll show you guys what they look like. They look like this. And you just fold them in half. I think those are really cute. So nap time is different every day in our house in terms of what I'll do while Max is napping. So, and also he doesn't nap necessarily every time. Sometimes it's just quiet time in the crib, but I still find that even with the quiet time, he is much more rested than if we just like skip nap because he didn't feel like it. So, where was I going? I'm a little bit tired. So during nap time, I will either do work if I need to do work, do stuff around the house if that needs to get done. But mostly what I do is hang out with Corey. This is the time in the day that we get special mom and Corey time. So I will definitely wake him up to make sure he doesn't sleep all day, and we'll nurse. And I'll try to do some tummy time with him. I'll try to just interact with him, give him like a one-on-one talking to him, you know, really spending time with him, because you know, he's often tagging along to Max's activities and things like that. So I try to make this time of the day all about him. Tummy time. You ready? So it is 4 o'clock now, and it's time to go wake Max up from his nap. He did fall asleep, which was very nice. I'm happy for him to have a good rest. And now, because it's Friday, a special treat, we get to watch the movie Cars from Disney. As you can tell, it's a Cars themed day here, as most Fridays are. When we watch the movie, I'll probably try to pump, because in the late evenings, Corey gets really fussy and doesn't want to nurse. And I do pump a bottle in the morning, because that's when I have the most milk, which is really common. But I saved that bottle for our last bottle before bed. So I need to pump one more for the evenings. It's a lot to keep track of. Also, if you think this is a quiet, relaxing movie watching experience, it is not, because we have to point out every time we see lightning and all the other cars that we like.
Sony. Sony.
Stop.
Lightning and Shannon's spokes.
Lightning and Shannon smokes.
Let's see if I can test Steven.
That's right.
Come with us. Go with us.
Go with us.
He's in his Mack truck.
He's in his Mack truck right now.
Chick. Hi, Chick.
Hi, Chick.
Now he's sitting.
Natalie's certain. Pump life. So because tonight is Shabbat, I thought I'd show you guys what we're doing to get ready. So this is where I keep my Shabbat stuff, and I'm sure you guys have actually seen all this before, but I'm not sure if you've seen, oh, apologies for the noise. We've got 2 dogs, a baby, another baby. I think I'm gonna call this vlog, by the way, 2 dogs and 2 babies versus mama. What do you guys think? Aside from my fancy Shabbat stuff, I also have my everyday Shabbat stuff. Or my every Friday Shabbat stuff, I should say. Which is this challah board, this challah cover. And I'm just going to put them on the table. I'm going to take out Kiddush cup and our candlesticks. Can you say Shabbat Shalom?
Shabbat Shalom.
And what do we have for Shabbat?
Challah.
That's right. So yeah, we're just gonna prep for Shabbat, finish watching the movie. That's about it. This little boy, this is when he gets a little bit fussy. We nursed, we pumped, and we took that bottle just now because he wanted it. And he's probably gonna be a little bit fussy till bedtime, unfortunately, but that's the life of a newborn, a Corey bear. So the movie Cars is all finished. Was it good?
Yeah.
It was great. And we're finishing out our Cars themed day by reading some more stories from what?
From Target.
From the book, the Cars book from Target. Who's here? Dada. Wait till you guys see the excitement of Dada coming home. He doesn't like it. We are about to light the candles for Shabbat and have dinner, and then it's just bath time, bedtime, you know the deal. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys all for watching this video. I loved capturing a day in the life with a newborn and a toddler, because it's just such a special time, and the boys change so much, like every week I feel. So I just wanted to really capture this and what life is like right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.